By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create a pop-out effect in Photoshop. And without wasting much time, let's get into it. At first, I'm going to drag this first image to Photoshop. Place the second image to surface of the first image. Reduce the opacity so that you can know where exactly to place the image. Hide this layer for now. Select the screen surface with the magic wand tool. If you encounter any problem, choose the selection tool to adjust it. Unhide this layer and add a layer mask. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Delete the layer mask. Now remove the background with this process. With the layer mask being selected, choose the Add-on brush and brush out some parts. Let's add a drop shadow to it to make it more dramatic and realistic. Follow these settings to get a perfect drop shadow for it. Thanks for watching to this very moment. If you want to practice more with more Photoshop tutorial videos, you can click on this video or check the description for more video tutorials.